Hi everyone! Today's video I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me, I guess. I'm just gonna do my makeup because I want to stream today on Twitch. So I want to actually show my face because I actually haven't been showing my face that much on my streams lately, just because like I haven't been like wearing that much makeup or putting my makeup on that much. So I was like, I'll just stream without my face, and like I don't think that many people mind, but I thought I should probably show my face. So I'm gonna use the, maybe I should use a primer, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna be home. I don't really use this primer that much, so I'm gonna try it out. It's the hylamida primer from the Abnormal Beauty Company, DCM, which is the same company that The Ordinary is from. I got this because they said like this is the best primer in the world, something something, I don't know, but it's like just okay. I don't know. Do I have like stuff on my face? I don't know what's happening. It kind of smells like nail polish remover. I don't know. It's like a smoothing primer. Feels super like silicone-y. And then I just put in the refill for this cushion. It's the ipkn Twinkle Velvet Foundation. I haven't even opened it. That was a kind of a weak sound. Oh my god. I forgot. This is how cushions usually put. Oh my god, that's so much. All of my cushions are like all dried out. Here's the ASMR. Gonna use 3CE Nude Peach for my blush. I put on so much, but you can't even see it. It really be like that. Contouring my nose with my Cezanne nose shading. Will my ceiling fan be loud? And now I'm gonna use the white part. I don't really show myself using this that much, but it's actually a really good like highlighter and brightener. It's like really good for brightening up the shadows in your face. So if I want to make my nose look like super small, then if I put the highlighter like right next to my nose contour, it like makes my nose contour look like my nose, if that makes sense. I don't know. Also, if I like put it like here in my smile lines, it kind of helps. But you can't like do too much or else it's like pretty obvious. Going to use my eyebrow pencil. Actually no, I'm gonna highlight first before I forget. Using my Mercier highlighter in Devotion. My camera died while I was doing one of my eyebrows, so I finished the other eyebrow and I'm back. For my eyes, I think I'm gonna use this Etude House Play Color Eyes in Grapefruit, I think. What is this? It's just juice bar, but it looks like the grapefruit one. I don't know. I think this is what it looks like. It's like grapefruity. I'm gonna use this color all over and I'll see how that works. Just have no direction right now. Just doing something. Gonna put this one on top. I don't want to use my finger for once. This is like a summer look. It's just a summer look because I'm saying that it's a summer look. It's like orange and blue contacts. It's a summer look. Summer. And I'm gonna take this pink, that pink color, and I'm gonna dust it in my inner corner on my bottom. Like right there. I don't know why I do this, but in like a random makeup video that I watched. I think I saw a Korean YouTuber do it where she put like pink or red like in the inner corner, and I thought it was like really cute, so I do it too. I'm gonna take the same pink and like blend out the edges with it so that it just looks more pink. I don't know, but I'm not picking up more product with it. Yes. And then for the outer corner, I'm gonna take this color. Can you see? Yes. And I'm gonna mix it with this dark brown. Okay. 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 Oh, I'm so like sleepy. I don't know why. I'm just be dying. I don't know why I feel like shit. I ate a salad and like 2 blueberries. So, what the fuck, body? I'm gonna put on this MAC blush. This is Cheeky Bits. This one is like I don't know if you can tell, but it has like a sheen. So when you wear it, it kind of doubles as like a highlighter. Because it has like a little sheen. How many times can I say sheen? Sheen. Oh. Oh, the eyeliner that I'm using is the Etude Drawing Show brush liner. I'm gonna use this Maybelline The Falsies mascara that I probably have to throw out like right now, immediately, right now. Oh my god, this battery is dying too. What the heck? Just gonna slap something on my lips really quick. And if the battery dies, then it's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. This is 3CE Velvet Lip Tint in pink brick. I'm just like watching it flash red. Oh, it's going for longer than I thought. Okay, finished. Well, I'm gonna put on bottom mascara, but that's it. So hope you enjoyed this really weird, abrupt get ready with me for streaming on Twitch. I stream Overwatch and just whatever I want on my Twitch, so follow my Twitch if you like, I don't know, watching me play games sometimes. But yes, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!